Now, how to take the printout of the AutoCAD file, that we will see. Press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Select the printer. Now, since I have not connected my laptop to the printer, I'll select Microsoft Print to PDF. Basically, I am going to create a PDF file. Now, whatever printer you have connected, it will appear in this list, so you can select that printer. So select the printer. Now select the page size. Right now the borders which we have drawn, it is A3 size, so 420 into 297. But if I want to take the print on A4, so I'll select A4. Otherwise, if I want to take print on A3, I'll select A3. Now I want to take the print on A4, so I'll select A4. In what to plot, we will select window, and I want the border line also in the printout, so I'll draw the window slightly outside the border. So draw this window, then plot object line weight should be on, drawing orientation should be landscape, center the plot, apply to layout and check preview. Now here you can see certain lines are not visible, so we need to check what is the issue. That is why preview is necessary. So we will find what is the issue. So here you can see in the layers there is one layer called Defpoints. Now this layer is not a printable layer. So if you go to the layer properties, here you can see for Defpoints this printing is off. Even if I click it, it will not turn on. If you check the dimension, I click over here, it will turn off. The printing will turn off, and when I click over here again, it will turn on. I'll make one more layer, name it as outline, and then this outline layer I'll change the line weight 0.3 millimeter. And now, so what I'll do is I'll turn off all the layers except O and Defpoints and outline. Now I'll select, see, if you turn off zero layer also, then you won't be able to select the drawing. So I'll keep zero layer on. I have to even keep Defpoints on. If I turn this off, the diagram will vanish, so I'll keep this also on, and then select everything and put it in outline layer. Escape. Now I can see the line weight also. I'll turn on all the layers. Control P on keyboard. Since we have already clicked before apply to layout, all the settings are already saved, so I'll click on preview. Now here you can see all the lines are visible. Now here you can notice that yellow line is not visible, so that is the hidden layer. I'll change the color of the layer. Instead of yellow, the color we will select white only. So now again press Ctrl P and check the preview. Now everything is visible. We have already selected the printer. Click over here to save the PDF. Give the name to the PDF and remember the path where you are saving, and save the PDF file. Or if you have already selected the printer over here, when you click on this, you will directly get the print. So that's it for this video. Thank you.